Alright, so we got Nick and Joel. They came around. Nick's doing some work on his car. So I believe he changed over the bonnet struts. So now the bonnet actually sits up nicely. It's not held up by a stick. What are we doing today?
Just a bit of head unit fixing.
Oh fuck, what's that?
Just snake.
It's a snake.
Yeah, that was the wiring they decided to put in. Which...
Is this for the head unit or for your gauges?
No, for the head unit.
Oh fuck yeah, right.
What kind of connection is that?
A twist and tape.
Come on guys,
We love...
do better. Hang on, let's
yeah, pull,
check.
no, just pull on it. See if it'll come out, just pull on it.
Let's see if it's even soldered.
Hey, we're soldered.
Really?
So we're halfway there. But
Who joins stuff like that?
Yeah, just do it nice, straight line.
Mr. Miller not tell you nothing.
Yeah, just... Hey, they staggered it.
At least this one they staggered.
Yeah, but just use the factory shit if you're gonna do this. Speakers aren't amped. Just use the factory shit. There's no point.
Exactly. Have they got the stock speaker cable in here?
Sure does. Right there.
Oh, tough. It's cut.
Yeah, someone's done a bit of...
Whoa, what's happening here?
Yeah, can we just... That's censored.
Some more paid content.
Why is that like that?
I don't know. I really don't know.
So the car must have been owned by TAFE before or something. You know it's been to like automotive TAFE?
Yeah.
All the cars are fucked.
Yeah.
So right now, Nick's just fucking around with some shit. Changing out the head unit, fixing up all the wiring. I'm pretty sure he said the pod gauges and so the boost gauge and the oil pressure gauge. Pretty sure he said that they'll wired up fucking like a spastic as well. So currently gonna fix up all this shit.
That's the cabin filter screen. Oh no, this is alright too.
Oh, that is caked. At least you got a cabin filter screen. I don't even have one in my ute.
Oh. Yeah, well, it definitely needs a clean.
Yeah, no, I don't have... Oh, I've got my blower. That might not be enough, though.
Oh, I'll just wash out.
But... Please tell me we're taking out these tweeters.
Yeah, but... Problem is... You take it out and just have a look. Yeah, they've just drilled straight into the door trimmers.
It's very nice of them to do that. So...
Can you show the people what we're dealing with here?
Oh, can't. Here you go. I don't want to smoke in your car.
It's just a mess. Absolute mess. Just leave your head unit alone if you're going to do this.
So yeah, we're dealing with a bit of shittery, not gonna lie. So hopefully we can get everything all nice and looking
Half decent.
Yeah, half decent, because right now it's a bit, how you going? So oh fuck.
It's a bird's nest.
Yeah, it is very much so a bird's nest under there. Why is it going through there?
I have no idea.
Whoa. It's going through the actual ICC holes.
Yeah.
Not okay. All right. So, did you unplug the body control module?
I haven't unplugged anything because you can't get...
Okay, well you can't get that out if you don't unplug the body control module. It's underneath. It's 3 plugs. It takes like a couple seconds. No, it's like underneath the head. You can't see it, but you just feel it.
Should I disconnect the battery?
Don't need to.
Okay, come on. See how you can tell people are a desk jockey.
I'm on disc. Oh, wait.
Come on.
I got one out, alright?
This whole time.
one connector is sideways, I'm going to say that.
Anyone who's put a unit in a B series, by the time you're finished putting your unit in, you can get those plugs out in 5 seconds.
Yeah, it's a cunt at the start, but once you get to learn it, it's alright.
That one don't want to come out.
Nick's on learning stage.
This one just doesn't want to come
How
out.
tight was the gear knob?
Not that tight.
It looks like it very tight. They've done it up with Stilsons.
Yup.
Tapping out.
My finger very...
Oh, fuck, that's my crack.
She needs some love, alright?
The cheapest.
It's legit the cheapest one. Because I keep looking.
Dude, yeah.
Like sedan, ute, it's just the cheapest.
You...
There's that, even that clapped out one was $7 grand.
Yeah, you got this for a steal, and
it's stealing all my money. Yeah.
that's what happens when we get things for steals. We have to fix the shittery.
What in the Tom fucking foot
Yeah, see, look, he's even struggling.
going on right now? No, because you left one in.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
No, I
that
got
one.
that one out, but you left. There was another one still.
There's
in.
4.
You said 3.
I did not say anything.
He'd said 3. Roll the clip.
Okay, well you can't get that out if you don't unplug the body control module. It's underneath. It's 3 plugs. It takes like a couple seconds.
Yeah, he said
Did
3.
I?
He said 3.
Yeah, he said 3. He said 3.
Confirm this.
If he doesn't show it, he's right.
I swear I said I didn't say any.
You said 3.
Did I? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, you know.
Mine done 2.
Future done it. See if they're gaslighting me or not.
I actually don't know where the fuck. I can't feel the tab.
Yeah, do you want me to give it a shot?
No.
Why not?
I want you to one up me. Yeah, I actually can't get that. I can't feel the tab.
Yeah. I'll see.
It's the one furthest to the left. Told ya.
Look, I done it.
Oh, you done it straight away.
Oh.
Alright. See, sometimes you just need to get the big dogs for the big jobs.
Clean.
Mint.
Yeah, so I'll get the color codes. Yeah, there's just like under there. Your yellow is your constant 12 volts.
Yep.
So you tap into that for your head unit.
Yep.
And you can use off your cigarette lighter. You can use. No, it's alright.
Yeah. Tunes are on.
Overpower them.
This is forever.
Yeah, bad.
This is forever.
Evan, this is for you. You know, Joel's on the tunes. He does a good job. But yeah, for your AC power,
Yeah.
I just use cigarette lighter because that's just for your ignition power. That's it. Nothing wrong with that, but all the fuckery we're gonna have to undo first.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll start chopping.
You not get over the way they solder and tape those wires.
Oh, I know. Just
So
dude, come
fucking-
on.
Like you may as well put a wire nut on it.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Okay.
you just need to pull up one of the looms and we'll tap into it.
Sweet. Done.
So I made up some notes. If you can read that, I don't know how blurry it is. Just give that a pause. And that's what we'll be doing to this right now. So we need to untape that, get those cables out. You got your 3 speakers there, and then you got 1 speaker in the kick panel on the driver's side. So the kick panel one is your right rear. So yeah, we're just gonna cut all this up, get that all done. Nick's already got the kick panel off, so there's a cable right in there. Shit, get that dick cam going.
Crotch cam going.
I can't wait to cut all these cables.
I didn't do fucking vet. Mr. Miller let me just fuck around.
You got
We necked
Oh yeah.
pink and green.
it. secondary.
And
A Red Bull.
your blue.
Is that the colours of them?
Yep.
So there's only 3 over here. There's.
3 over here, 1 over there. Which we can.
So all you got to do is get it from here to here. That's it.
So we've got a little bit to work with. I'm not gonna lie. Make do with what we got. So right now, Joel's just putting the connector on the new speakers. Not the new speakers, on the stock speaker wiring because they cut them off. So just getting that done. Here it is. So that is what we need. So Nick's currently got both door cards on. Unfortunately, we're stuck with that. Yeah, it's the one that I've pulled out. So it's the grey and green and grey and black. So that's your driver's side door card. So now currently Nick's just
bring it over.
starting to strip.
What?
Shit, I wish it was stripping. So yeah, currently Nick's starting to splice into the wires, get it all done. And to tap into the power, that big fat yellow cable that's right there, that's what we splice into for your constant 12 volts. So you got the Mc diagram. So we'll tune back in once we've extended the cables and ran them all. Who would? Ken would. Alright. So Nick's put everything back together, soldered everything up, everything looks all good. Nice. So now it's just a moment of truth, plugging everything in and hoping everything works. Alright, Headunit's all in, all working. It's all working all nicely. So Nick's just putting in all the trim pieces, and that should be it for this. I'm also trying to figure out, I'm pretty sure that this is his reverse light, so we're going to see if this is, then we can actually wire up into the gearbox, so then when you put in reverse, it's actually got a reverse light. I don't have that in mind, I haven't bothered, but for Nick having this as mainly just a street car, it's good to have. Okay, in editing this video, I actually realised that I completely forgot to film a outro. So I never actually, we never finished fucking around with trying to find the reverse switch or the reverse wire. So we'll get around to that some other time. But the head unit was all done, everything was good, so yeah, that was really it. So again, thank you for watching if you stayed this far. Hopefully this helped out a bit with actually doing a swap, just for like a single lid head unit. If you go like an Aero Pro fascia, it's normally just a plug and play, so it's not too bad. But no, so again, stay tuned for more content. We should hopefully get another update on Taylor's bike. I did see a comment that someone wanted a bit of a build breakdown on that whole thing, so he's just waiting on some parts, so hopefully they can come in this week and we can get an update video on that. So yeah, again, thank you for watching, stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you in the next one.